really concentrated on a big problem for consumers and hardware stores and retailers. The inevitable problem of walking into a store with a part and trying to identify it and trying to use the associate's expertise to identify it is a very difficult task. And what we've done is we've taken a 3D scanner and we have retrofitted it and changed its use case. And basically the way this system works is we scan parts into the database, it's permanently registered, and it sits in the cloud just like fingerprints would. And essentially what you do is we place the systems in retail and wholesale environments. You walk in with your part, you place it on the sensor scans it, creates a digital representation of it, shoots it up to the database, goes through our algorithm, and finds a match.
Really? So you walk into some place and say, I need one of these, and I don't even know what it is, but I need this.
Yeah.
And can you show us real quick how that kind of thing might work?
Yeah, so this is still in beta right now. We've got other systems actually in stores with Ferguson.
Okay.
This is the next gen that will be ready at the beginning of Q4 2019. This is actually co-developed with Hewlett-Packard, who's a recent partner.
Okay.
And so that's where we're at. But here we go. And there it is.
So it shows you the best match of what you're looking for, and it's exactly what you're looking for.
Exactly. Yeah, so that's it.
SkuBot, SKU, SkuBot, right?
Yep.
.com for more.